how to change or remove subtitles in HiTV mobile app. So if you want to change or remove subtitles in HiTV mobile app, then what you need to do is first you need to open the application. In my case or in my region, the application is not available, so I'll just simply go with my browser. Now, once you search for HiTV, now this is the interface, right? So you just need simply go and make sure that you've logged into your account on your application. After that, you need to just go and select any video or any movie that you would like to watch. Like I'll just go with the first one. Now, once you play the video that you would like to watch, now if you want to change or remove the subtitles, then you just need simply go with the top right of that video. You will have the quality, the subtitles, or you will also have the three dots icon, right? You can just simply tap on the subtitle section. Once you tap on the subtitles here, as you can see that you will have English subtitles, Vietnamese, Arabic, Spanish, Portuguese, and many languages. You will have a lot of languages. So go and select any language that you're comfortable with. Like for example, I'll go with French, and the subtitles have been changed. In this way, you'll be able to change or remove subtitles in your HiTV mobile app or on your browser. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.